I had bulging varicose veins on both the calves, as you remember.
Yeah.
Nasty big things and just protruding. Wasn't really confident of who to go to. See a lot of these vein ads all over the place, but finally somebody referred me to Dr. Hansen, and that's how we met.
Let me ask you something. Take me back a minute. How long did you suffer before you actually decided maybe I need to get something done or have them looked at?
Oh, a long time. It was years. And my brother's a cardiologist, and he would see me and say, "You need to get that fixed, something done about it." I said, "Hey, yeah, I will, we could." And then I'd see all these fly-by-night ads all the time for veins, and I just didn't have the confidence of going just anywhere and telling them to fix it. And again, same thing my brother said, make sure you get somebody.
So you had the benefit of some professional advice.
Absolutely.
Because so many people suffer, Doc, don't you agree, without even thinking there's anything that can be done at all?
Yeah, that's true. It's so many people, even for docs, they'll think we're doing vein strippings and don't realize
I just got asked that.
that what we do, it's here in the office, it takes 10, 15 minutes and doesn't interrupt your day at all.
Wow.
There's no downtime.
Yeah.
So it's come a long way. So you had the bulgy veins, you said, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
And did you notice pain or anything, or the itching or the swelling?
You could toast bread on it.
Really?
Yeah, it was just absolutely flaming hot. And a lot of times I would just take some cold water and just cool them down.
Oh, that's miserable.
A nuclear reactor in there.
Both legs or just one?
Both of them. Yeah.
Both legs.
Yeah, one was worse than the other, but still nothing to laugh at.
And what's the result?
Result was amazing. Result was exactly how Dr. Hansen said. Takes a little while. You wear all the compression socks for about a month or so. Take them off, and I think it was about 6 months, 8 months till it really fully subsided and got to
Heal.
heal. Yeah.
What was your immediate reaction after the procedure? Wait, was it painful first? Let me ask.
Not really. It was just a little bit of prick here and there. And I remember Dr. Hansen mentioned you can go tell your golfing friends you got this. What was it, a radar? No, it's a laser.
Laser.
Radio frequency?
And RF, yeah.
And it's at 1250 degrees inside your vein, and you're sweating.
Looking for a couple of mulligan scoring. And of course, golfers never give anybody anything that's going to give them advantage over them. No,
So it wasn't painful. The procedure took about how long?
15 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Insurance covered all of it? Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
And so your initial response afterwards was like, did you feel your legs feel lighter? Were you able to do more than you were able to do before? Or were you done with the icing down of your legs?
Yeah, for sure. It was first of all, it's a big mental relief because you get apart from the aesthetics part of it. I fly a lot, and as I said before, DVT is always
A concern.
it's a big concern, so I didn't want to.
As well it should be.
Yeah,
I understand.
So that was really good. And also, as we said, playing golf, you don't have those lovely legs.
Most important thing.
So that subsided, so it's back. They let me come in and play.
Thank you so much for sharing that.